Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper in the additional of Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, June the 26th, 2021. We have here seven extra Sudokus. The first one is a letter Sudoku. The second one, Sudoku with 2 stars. Then we have a 3 stars, a 4-star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, binary puzzle number one, and a tectonic. Here we have also other puzzles, but those puzzles is not interested. I'm not interested in those two boxes over those two puzzles. So only 7 extra Sudokus are puzzles, and 4 of them I will make on this day, today, yes. And those are the 3 stars, the 4 stars, tectonic, and a binary puzzle. Tomorrow I will do the ladder Sudoku with 2 stars, and a tectonic with 1 star. All right, but first we will solve this baby, and this one will be a number 3007. 3007, yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 14, 17, 20, 23 plus 2, 25. Yes, the 3 stars has always 25 printed digits. All right, it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level, but you cannot always say a puzzle with 25 printed digits is easier than a puzzle with 24 printed digits with the 4 stars. Yes, sometimes there are a lot of pairs and hidden numbers. All right, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number shall I pick? How about the number? The number. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see there 707 in these 3 boxes. There's 707 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 707 there, 7 should be there. Then, in the first column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in this box. Here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Well, we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. All right. Then I cannot continue with the 7. Let me see, which number shall I pick? How about the number 2 in the last row, 2 in a row above. So in that row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. All right, 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Okay. these 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 6. We see there 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. All right. So we have a 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, we see there 4, so no 4s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. All right. All right. 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 2, the 5, and the 9. 259, 259. And look, we have a 2 here, so no 2 there. Here 2, so no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. So the 5 and the 9 are missing now. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 9. We have an 8 and a 9 in this column. So no 8 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. The 8 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. All right. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah. I'm thinking. We have a 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row. For the numbers 2 and 9, 2 and 9 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 9 and an 8. So now we have a 9 here, so this box cannot be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be an 8. All right. 9 in this row, first row, 9 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in the second row for the number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 8 and 5. All right. Let me see. We have a pair, 7 and a 9 in this row, 7 and a 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places for the 7 and the 9 goes in those two boxes. As a pair, 7 and a 9, we see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places, the last column, the only two places for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. All right. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only three places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there, and all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. All right. All right. I'm thinking. Yeah. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers here are the 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, the 5 is missing, 3, 5, 6, 7, and the 8. 3, 5, and the 8. 3, 5, and 8, and look, we have a 3 and 8 here in the middle row, so no 3 and 8 in this box. The 3 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 3 and 8, so one digit left in this column, the first column for the number 5. All right, so now 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this third column, so no 2 in these two boxes. So one box left in this big square for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. Let me mark those two boxes, 1 and 6. Okay. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. All right. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 6. 6 is missing. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 5 in this big square. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 8 are missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Almost finished. A couple of digits. All right. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 8 and 6. 8 and 6. No, I cannot fill this yet. 8 and 6. How about the well, we see here 3 missing numbers in this center big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 6. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 8 goes there. All right. 1 number left in this row for the number 6. 1 number left in this column for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 8. We see it there, an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the middle column for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 5 and 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 5 goes there. And let me see, 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So the last row, the only place for the 3 should be there. The final 2 numbers of this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 and the 6 are missing. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 5 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. And for a 3 stars Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. So with 17 minutes, I'm very pleased because for 70 minutes, it will be a 2 stars. All right. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second Sudoku, a 4 stars Sudoku. See you then. Bye-bye for now.